Check this truck out. What's up, and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm just over here admiring Chris's truck because I really just don't remember what it's like to have a completed lifted truck, because it feels like the BBB build has been getting built forever. But today we're gonna actually kind of help hopefully speed that up in some sorts of ways. We're gonna, if you guys remember, when it came to powder coating the front end, it ended up a little bit lighter than the rear end and the wheels. So obviously we pulled the whole front end apart and we sent it out to get it powder coated just a shade darker. That way everything is all cohesive. Well, we gotta go pick up all that powder coating, go drop it off at Preston's, and we're gonna be able to see just how far along the truck is. And I know it's actually made some substantial changes since the last time we were over there, just based on pictures they've sent me. Of course, wearing the new Work For It Stay Humble tank top, which can be found over at WORKFORIT.com. The link will be right there. There are spider webs in the tread of your tires, bro. You need to drive this thing more.
No, I don't.
Everybody say hi to Chris. Chris, say hi to everybody. What are you doing, buddy?
Hand sanitize.
Gotta keep it clean?
Gotta keep it clean.
Sweet. Are you excited? You haven't seen the truck yet. Are you excited to go look at it?
Yeah, I have. Did I?
You haven't seen it with the rear.
It's true.
Refresh the memory a little bit?
Just a little bit.
What are you thinking next for the truck, buddy? What, dude?
What?
What are you thinking next for the truck?
I think I'm gonna go with the BDS upper control arms.
Yeah?
Yep.
Get rid of those really
because
tiny
Ryan said
ones.
Yeah, they said they're too skinny.
They do look a little skinny. I mean, you got a big old giant coilover. These tiny upper control arms just don't look right, man.
We'll see. We'll see.
So we're back here, quality powder coating, picking up all the front end parts.
They just came out of the oven, huh? About 20 minutes ago.
Gotcha.
Strong.
This thing is not light. Teamwork makes the dream work. I don't think I realized how many components went into this front lift kit until you see them all spread out. Substantial amount of parts here. This is definitely a better match on the color here. I think we nailed it this time. So since we're essentially running out of room back here with all these giant parts, Sean has graciously offered for us to take his van to drop all these parts off over at Preston's. So we get to cruise in this sweet hot rod.
Well, you be safe, buddy.
Oh, thanks, pal. All right, we're all loaded up. Let's head on over to Preston's. I mean, I see the dog bed, but I don't see a dog. I thought the van would come with the dog bed. Yeah. What's up, buddy?
You're going fast driving this thing.
Right? How about them flames? I think we
Came here fast with that powder coat.
ought to put some flames on this on my truck.
Oh, whoa. He sure does have some good taste.
Right? You know what I'm saying?
Even on the delivery van,
This is a classic delivery van. I mean, I felt about 5 times cooler driving this thing here.
Oh,
not gonna lie.
You were driving that.
Right? Now, that being said, the 12-inch tires were a little rough when you go over the reflectors on the road, but you know, we can work on that. We're in the right spot. We got some. Oh, we even got the airbags bolted up both sides. Oh, dude, the 4-link bars look sick. That is beefy. What do you think, buddy?
I think you need to remove those steps.
The steps are coming off. Don't worry about the steps. That's the first thing you talk about is the steps, and you just see this beautiful rear suspension package.
Oh, looks good, man.
You happy with it?
I'm happy.
Carry the heavy one. So strong, Christopher. See it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Color looks fucking spot on.
there.
Huh?
Spot on.
Oh yeah.
Versus where it was before.
I like it. Rear sway bar looks a little better, huh?
A lot better than that dark gray, charcoal, whatever they wanted to call that, the speckle look.
There we go, buddy. Hey, you like my new ride?
Say, you let me take it?
Yeah.
I saw that and I was like, Sean's here? Like,
I forgot the overall. I appreciate you guys putting in the fucking hours, because I know that does not happen quickly.
The hard part is pretty much done. Now it's for the rear, getting the rear sway bar on, which is not going to be fun, and then doing all the plumbing, getting all that taken care of.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Sweet. Chris is over here, and he don't want to move away from the swamp cooler. Get a little
You
warm
guys are
back
talking
here.
about getting hot next week. It's hot now.
It's just humid right now.
Yeah, you guys got to get it. I'll send over a couple swamp coolers. You know, I'll rent some for you guys. Put them up right next to the truck. That way, everybody wants to hang around the truck and work on it.
You're recording that part, right?
I'm sure we can rent some swamp coolers for pretty cheap. Cool. Well, we gotta get my hot rod back. Appreciate it.
Nice meeting you, man. You too.
I'll see you.
Big fan.
Thank you. Autograph.
Make everybody else all.
Sign his boobs. Alrighty, now we got all the parts dropped off. Clearly you guys can see they're definitely making progress, and it's super cool to hear that they're going to be putting guys here late at night. They're coming in tomorrow on a Sunday to really make sure they get this thing done in time for the deadline for the Extreme Auto Fest. So I definitely appreciate all the hard work they're putting in on this thing, but now we got to get this old hot rod here back to Sean over at Quality Powder Coating, so let's go. Alrighty, we made it back over to Quality Powder Coating.
Alrighty, so
Work out all right? Yes, sir. I definitely appreciate it. There you go.
Perfect. Thank
Appreciate
you so
it.
much. You guys have fun.
Yeah, we'll be in touch. Alrighty, so that pretty much wraps up the whole truck portion of today. We are now going to head back to WORKFORIT World headquarters, aka my house. And remember how I told you guys we're gonna be moving a bunch of stuff around, getting new shelving in there for all of the new shirt orders that we have in and all the new inventory. Well, that's what we're gonna spend the rest of the day doing. Don't necessarily want to bore you guys with that, so we're kind of gonna end it here. Thank you to Sean over at Quality Powder Coater for always doing a killer job. Let me borrow the van and just really making things easy for me. And also thank you to everybody over at Preston's. I know they're gonna be putting in some late hours, and I really do appreciate it to meet the deadline that we have set for the truck. Go ahead, buddy. Say the rest of it.
Roll the outro.
No, that's not it.
What?
Subscribe.
Oh, subscribe to Dmaxryno's channel. Go check out WORKFORIT.apparel.com. Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.